Hello PHP lovers, welcome to this tutorial. Hopefully you have already prepared your computer to run your first code in PHP. And in this tutorial we will write our first PHP script that will show a message hello world. So it's better to say we are going to run our first hello world script in PHP. Let's start. To write our first code in PHP, first of all we go to the XAMPP folder. My XAMPP folder is already installed in D drive, so I will go to the D drive. Open up the XAMPP folder. From here, run the XAMPP control panel. Start the Apache server. By the way, we don't need to run the MySQL because we don't have any plan to interact with database at this moment. Next, go to the htdocs folder. Here, create a new folder. Actually, every folder in the htdocs folder represents a project. So you can say that you are going to create a new project. Let's give a name of the folder. Give the name first code, as we are going to write the first code in PHP, and go to the folder. Here create a new text document, name it to index. Why I am giving the name as index? Because web server is automatically recognized the index file by default. That's mean you can say that the index file is the startup page of a project. Now remove the existing extension and replace it with PHP. This is the PHP file extension. Hit the enter button, click yes. Open the file using Sublime Text Editor. For the first time, right click on the file, then open with, choose another app. Check the checkbox, always use this app to open .php files. Then, if you can't see the Sublime Text Editor in this list, you need to go to the Sublime Text Editor installation directory for selecting the Sublime Text. For this, click look for another app on this PC. Find the folder Sublime Text. Here is Sublime Text 3. Go to the folder and double click on a Sublime Text executable file. That's it. From the next time, every PHP file will be opened using Sublime Text Editor by default. Now this is the moment to write our first PHP code. Firstly, every PHP script starts with some syntaxes. We call it PHP start tag, as well as every PHP script end with some syntaxes. We call it PHP end tag. So let's type the PHP start tag, that is an angle bracket begin, a question mark, PHP, then a question mark, angle bracket, end. In the middle of the start and end tag, we will write our desired code. In this tutorial, we are going to show a message, hello world. For showing this message, we will use a function named echo. To print anything in PHP, most of the time we will use echo, and echo actually is not a function. To know more about echo, I have already provided a link in the video description. You can go there and know more about echo. So now we will type our message hello world. To type a string in PHP, you can use single quote or double quote, whatever you want, it's your choice. I prefer to use a double quote for a string. So let's type our message hello world. Then every PHP statement ends with a semicolon. So don't forget to put the semicolon here. And that's it. Our PHP script is ready to run. Save the file. So let's check it again. First of all, we have used the PHP start tag, then PHP end tag, and in the middle of these tags we have used the echo function to print the message hello world. Then we use the double quote for type the message string hello world. Here you can use single quote as well, it's up to you. Then we didn't forget to put the semicolon here, because every PHP statement ends with the semicolon. That's it. Now let's run the script. For running the script, open up your browser. Type localhost / the name of the project folder. The project folder name was first code, so type the first code. That's it, and we don't need to type anything more here, because the index file will be automatically detected by the server. Just hit the enter button, and that's it. We have got our result. And if you want, you can also use HTML in PHP script for making your own custom styling. Let's try. To write HTML in Sublime, starting to type the HTML tag, and Sublime is suggesting to complete the tag. Just hit the enter button. It will provide the snippet of essential HTML code. Let's provide a title. First, my first PHP code. Then on the body, let's take a paragraph tag. In the paragraph tag, let's put our PHP script. Now create some styling. For an example, let's make it bold. Increase the font size. And align it to center. That's it. Let's check it. What happened? Good. Pretty simple. That's it. That's all for this tutorial. And it's easy. It's really easy to learn PHP. Hopefully you have already gained the confidence to learn more about PHP and enjoyed the tutorial as well. If you enjoy, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel as well. And that's it for the tutorial. See you on the next tutorial. Thank you.